chat for us today. Very comfortable seats.
This is how we packed our plants. Images included in this bag. Show how we packed and brought lots of nursery saplings in a suitcase from Bangalore. Well packed. So this is when it's come back home. So all the plants all intact in its place. Nothing has shifted, nothing damaged. It was packed well.
By home by you only.
So all the mud was sealed with plastic like this so it doesn't spill. So I put around 4 on top here. So all these were well taped so that they don't move even when the luggage is thrown here and there.
And the best part, we booked with airlines. No, what is it?
Alliance Air.
Alliance Air, which is of Adani, I think so. And it's a small flight. It's like a private jet. And it was nice actually because only 30 people. And the crew was good.
And the next lot in this box which I had, put all of them here.
Welcome back home. Oh, there are more space over there, Mare. Actually, more plants would have come. No?
So these shook a bit, but overall not damaged.
So this is not for this, but this is for our home nursery or home garden. We want to plant these limes because they are very good. They are known as Kagji limes. And in Lal Bagh, you get it for a good deal. So that's why we brought it for our home, not to sell or anything. We just love lime because it's good for many marinations and all things. So yes, so you need like this suitcase, like this some box, any box. So don't throw your old boxes. If you have any plants, then pack it nicely.
And these were all the plants which we got.
Yeah.
20 kgs. Thank you.
Thank you.